welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the number 121 of the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. As you guys may or may not know, previously I thought that it was going to end on the 120. However, it ends up that it is going to continue, and of course we're going to be showing you guys the full collection. But well, before we get into this, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to be notified for whenever I post a new video or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Oh yeah! I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time for an up-close look at the magazine. Up the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 121. If you would like to see the previous 120 that I've previously unboxed, all you have to do is check out the playlist, which will be located in the end cards in the end of this video. And here we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course, guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And here, guys, it talks about kitchens that are in the style of those from the US. And here it marks you each part piece by piece of the picture here. I quite literally had no idea that there was such a thing as an American style kitchen. But well, good to know. I thought it would just be a kitchen. I don't know. But I guess it's that, I don't know, maybe American style kitchens are like more open. I guess that's the thing. And then here it talks about porcelain. Like porcelain plates like this. And over here it talks about the dollhouse. And over here it shows the Nuremberg dollhouse from 1763. that I think is maybe one of the most amazing things to me is not only that these dollhouses were able to be preserved, but they were made in such a way that they're in pretty good condition as well. For me, that's kind of incredible. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here we just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, as I said before, this collection is from Editorial Salvat. And well, now it's time guys to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, so first up guys, we got this little book. I'm just going to open this little ziploc. There. It got a bit stuck to the plastic, but it's okay. Let me get it in better focus. There. The cover says Peter Rabbit Goes to School, with Peter the Rabbit there on the cover. There you have the back. And then guys, we have this little rabbit toy. I'm just gonna put the book to the side and we're gonna open this up. Sadly guys, this came a bit broken, but for now it kind of got back stuck together. Well, if we have to, we can his head doesn't quite want to stick on. Alright. Well, if worst comes to worst, I can always glue it back when we start building the dollhouse. It's kind of cute for the, obviously for the kids or the children's room in the dollhouse. It's kind of cute. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me, which one do you guys like the most? The little book or the little rabbit? You guys tell me which one you guys like the best down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Yep. As I said before, we'll have all of his links down in the description below, as well as mine as well. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.